Hi, I'm Joshua Walker, a registered polysomnographic technologist with Star Sleep and Wellness. Today we're going to go over your Celeste Plus sleep study. At your appointment, we'll be delivering to you a watch and an oximetry finger ring. Your first step will be to download and then open the Celeste Plus app from your application store on your mobile device. The first time that you open the Celeste Plus application, you will need to read and accept the terms and conditions within the application itself. Next, you'll enter the setup code that is provided to you by Star Sleep and Wellness. On the following page, you will then enter your personal information. Please double check that information to ensure that it is accurate and then hit finish. Next, we're going to assemble your device. The first thing you'll do is you'll take the oximetry ring and connect it to the watch itself. You'll take the connection and place it within the port. Next, you're going to place the watch on your non-dominant hand. Make sure that the watch is snug against the wrist and not too tight to cut off circulation. From there, you'll then take the oximetry ring and place it on any of the 4 digits, just not your thumb. To turn the watch and the finger ring on, you'll simply press and hold the button on the side of the device. Once the display lights up, please proceed back to the Celeste Plus application. Now we're going to connect your sleep testing device to the application itself. Once you're back in the application, hit the scan button. The application will then begin to scan for nearby devices. Once it locates yours, pair the device to the application and then continue. From there, you're ready to go to sleep. Go ahead and hit start recording on the application. You may receive a prompt that offers you tips on how to get the best audio quality throughout the night. Follow those tips and guides so that we are able to detect any respiratory related event that occurs throughout the night. As you sleep throughout the night, try and get as much sleep as you possibly can for the purposes of your sleep testing and recording. If you need to wake up throughout the night to go to the restroom or to attend to child's needs, please try not to get any of the equipment wet as you could damage or impede the recording. Please keep your equipment on and your cell phone near you, as if you disconnect from the application, it could interrupt or impede and stop your recording. When it's time for you to get up in the morning and you're ready to stop the test, hit stop recording on the application itself. Wait until you receive a loading bar and allow that loading bar to cycle completely until you get a test complete. You're then able to take the equipment off. You may be requested by our office to complete more than 1 night of sleep. Complete however many nights our office has assigned and then return the equipment to our office on the day that it is required to be returned. Thank you for choosing Star Sleep and Wellness. If there are any questions or concerns that you have, reach out to our office directly and sleep well.